Very much for that. One of the big events tomorrow is going to be numbers coming out of Wipro as well as HCL Tech. So let's quickly tell our viewers what we're penciling in from Wipro this time. Numbers do come out post-market as a dollar revenue growth of 2.4% on a quarter-on-quarter basis, constant currency revenue growth of 4 to 4.2%, so similar to what TCS reported. And this will be within the company's guided band. But in the case of Wipro, it will be also aided by the acquisition of Rising as well as Convergence. The organic revenue growth for Wipro will be lower at about 3.2%. Margins are likely to see a very minor uptick, just up 15 basis points. The company had told us last time that Q1 margins mark the bottom. But there will not be a substantial improvement in margins because the company's wage hike is effective 1st of September. So there will be the 1 month impact of wage hike, which will limit the margin gains this time. The key is going to be on the next quarter's guidance. And next quarter's guidance is important because you typically have furloughs which take place. Furloughs are nothing but maintenance shutdown by many companies, right? But if you are a company in Europe and because of, say, the gas price issue, etc., and you have to do 2 production shifts instead of 3, it's going to directly impact, right, most of their clients. So what they say about the next quarter's guidance is going to be very crucial because it is a seasonally weak quarter on account of furloughs. And are they seeing any signs of weakness? The street is divided. Kotak says 0 to 2%, CLSA saying 2 to 4%. So something in the middle of that should be the market expectations, particularly for Wipro. Keep your eye out on deal wins because they've been strong. And as I said, deal wins are usually a lead indicator. It's seen as a proxy for future growth. So that's going to be very important. The ability to improve margins, because Wipro's margins at 15% were a decadal low. In Q2, we're not going to see a substantial improvement in margins, but thereafter, can there be a significant improvement in margins? And finally, watch for Capco. Capco was an acquisition that the company did. It's focused in Europe and it's focused in consulting. And consulting is typically seen as a discretionary area of tech spending. So is that coming under pressure? So these are some of the important things to watch in the case of Wipro. Let's get into a break. On the other side, we'll tell you what to buy today that you can sell tomorrow. Calls coming in from our technical experts.